All right, hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be showing you how to create a logo in Canva. So first I just went to canva.com and we're going to go to create a design logo. So this is going to default to giving us a 500 by 500 canvas, which is probably fine. We're going to create a couple of different parts of a logo though, and we're just going to start off by looking through some of the templates that they have here. If you're not in love with what they're showing you, you can always just go and search for a logo template and give it a search. So let's try and find one for marketing. Cool. So there's a lot of really fun ideas here for a marketing logo. I kind of love this style of marketing creative, so we're just going to add this one here. And then we're going to call this Metaverse. We'll click this to expand it. Marketing. Cool. And then one very important point, always make sure that your stuff is centered because this will come into play later. So this is a really, really quick logo. And I'm just going to run with this. We would definitely recommend that you do more than just editing some text and stuff like that. But you'll also notice there's this other section here for a logo that is got like kind of the icon to the left and the text to the right. Now, the reason you're going to want both of these formats for your logo is to give you a little bit of versatility when it comes to your website, your branding, any templates or branded content that you create in the future, right? So we're just going to add the metaverse here. And then expand it. Perfect. And then, as always, we will select everything and center it. So really, really quick, really, really easy. And we can actually download both of those. Now, this is really important. Make sure that you do them as a PNG with a transparent background. Now, the reason that you want to do this is that you don't necessarily just want a big white background. You want the versatility of being able to use this logo in a bunch of different places. And if you don't have the white background enabled, then the transparent background enabled, then you're not going to be able to, like, for example, maybe put this on a black background or whatever, right? You'll just see this big white logo on a black background, and that doesn't necessarily look super good. So from there, we'll just hit download. And you'll notice that both of these files will end up being saved to my PC here as a little zip. And that's it. That's how you can make a logo in Canva. It's really easy, really straightforward. There are a couple of best practices that you'll want to keep in mind, like making sure that your logo and everything is centered and that you have 2 iterations of that logo. You'll also want to make sure that you know what these colors are. So maybe save some of these hex codes for future reference because that'll be important for when you're designing maybe a website or some content and you want to make sure that your colors match your logo. With that, that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please consider liking and subscribing.